What
you.
you think you gonna do? Hit me? I'm literally the fastest.
Oh! No! No! I'm gonna carve my name into your back! Hey! Why do you have so much? I
I'm gonna kill you!
Yeah, you should have.
Now,
Yeah, what's up? What's up?